Hello, welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Yes, it is true. I'm doing a video on Sunday, if you could believe it or not. It is September 12th, and, I wanted to talk specifically today about a lot of stuff I've been seeing going on lately, especially in the news for voiceovers, especially with, the sale of Voice 123 and voice actors I'm working with, that voiceover is a business, Dagnabbit. It's a business. And I want to talk to you about that today, and that possibly it could be the reason why you might be struggling a little bit. Amongst things is that we're not looking 3 steps ahead. We're not treating this like a business, and I just want to kind of give you a little bit of mindset today about the business. Look, if you haven't got a chance yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. Also, real quick, we just finished our second week of A VO's Journey Elite Academy. It's absolutely fantastic. We have 4 different teachers. We teach Monday through Thursday, 4 nights a week live. All right, 1 session on marketing, 1 session on voice acting, 1 session on business systems, and 1 session on production and technical. And it is fantastic working through helping new voice actors how to get started in the voiceover industry, and also helping voice actors who have been around for a while grow their businesses. We're having a blast. If you're interested, check out the link below. We'd love to have you. Okay, so I want to talk about this idea of a business versus an artist, okay? Because I see this coming up a lot, and it's a great question. Hey, Anthony, I am a voiceover actor. I'm a voice actor. I don't really want to do the business stuff. I just want to perform, you know what I mean? And I want to work on my craft. And, I think that's fantastic. I mean, we're all actors. For better or for worse, if you're doing voiceover, you are an actor. Okay, so with that comes work. It comes work on your craft. It comes with learning more about how to express ideas and emotions effectively and on the drop of a dime, right? That is a part of what we do. However, because the majority of us are now, for better or for worse, we are working at home studios. It is the new world. I published a video on Friday, which is really, I'm really, thank you guys. It's really kind of blowing up. But it's talking about the new world of voiceover. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and post a link below too. Or maybe even up around here somewhere. Maybe something will pop up. So check it out. But anyways, I posted that video because so many new things are happening in voiceover. Okay, and they are definitely here to stay. And it is a whole new world than what was a long time ago. And that's not to say that where the voiceover industry has come from is wrong today. It's wonderful. It's a part of the industry, but there's such a new part of the industry, which we talk about all the time on this channel. But the point is that all of this talk about the industry, all this talk is about business and the business aspect. A lot of us go into this from the beginning more like a hobby, because it's exciting, it's fun, and we need to spend money, and there's not a lot of money coming in, which is kind of like the definition of a hobby, right? You spend money, you don't make any. But that's not what our goal is. All right, our goal is to make money, is to be profitable. Some of us, like my goal was to change my life, and to go full time as a voice actor. So that's a very specific goal, and it's a business goal. Okay, not a, goal of someone who's trying to get better at acting. And what I'm trying to say is that's not to say that's not a part of our business, but it's a part. Just like I set up the A VO's Journey Elite Academy, was to show people, in my mind, the 4 pillars of a voiceover business, right? I mean, I believe they're set up by 4 pillars. There is the production aspect, the technical aspect of everything we have to do with our DAW. But there's also the voice acting aspect. We have to be able to perform, and we have to be able to relay a message effectively, okay, based on directions and emotion, okay, and the script. But there's also more to this. There's marketing. It doesn't matter how great of a voice actor you are. If you don't get any business, no one's ever going to hear you. And then there's the business systems that actually go into making this whole thing run, right? What do you do for marketing? What do you do to record your audio? How do you edit it? Where do you send it? What's your CRM? How are you keeping track of contacts? What is your bookkeeping going under? All of these different things, okay, they all encompass voiceover. And it all goes under a business. So yes, voice acting, the craft, is vital to our success. That is our product. And we all want the very best product. Okay? But at the same time, there are other things that we must do to create a business. And a lot of people I work with, not that I work with, but anybody that I work with or people I see, a lot of times I notice that, we are so fixated on what is happening right now. Okay, not to say it's not important, but we need to think at least 3 steps ahead. Where am I going with this? And where is that going to lead me? And then where is that going to lead me? Okay, that doesn't mean that you can, going to have to predict the future. But the idea here is we shouldn't just be doing things willy-nilly. There should be a plan. There should be a goal. We should at least be thinking 3 steps ahead. Okay, and that planning, that goal setting, that is an aspect of a business owner. So don't forget, we have a unique situation here as voice actors because not only do we perform, but we're also the business owners. Okay, so 99% of the time, most of us put our head down and work hard. We do auditions, we learn our DAWs, we make samples, we make demos, we help clients, all that kind of stuff. But there is another side of this, the planning side, the dream side. Like, why did you start this to begin with, right? The entrepreneur side of you, because we are our own studio. Nowadays, if you work from home and you have your own home studio, you are a studio. You might be like, I'm a voice actor. Well, yes, you're a voice actor who runs a studio. Think about it. You run a studio. It might not be a big fancy studio, but you run a studio. Could be a hobo fort, but that's a studio. So think about what you're actually trying to accomplish. Plan ahead, at least 3 steps. I like the number 3, okay? 3 years. Down the road, you should be able to look 3 years ahead and say, this is what I want my business to look like 3 years from now. All right? And reverse engineer it. But I just wanted to come on today on Sunday to say, hey, listen, take a moment today on Sunday from your business and look at it strategically. Look at your business about what you're trying to accomplish. It's funny, when we don't have work, our goal is always, well, I got to get more work. And that should always be our goal, is to continue bringing in work. But that is an aspect of the business that needs to be planned. There needs to be systems built around getting work, what you need to do in order to do that. And everything else supports the idea of jobs coming in and product going out. Your voiceover is going out, right? That needs to be systematized. That needs to be a product, because if it's not, it's going to fall apart whenever it gets stressed. All right? Just like a foundation. If the foundation is poor, all right, the foundation is not strong, as soon as you start building the house and as soon as there's more stress and weight that goes onto it, everything will crumble. Maybe that foundation is important. And the funny thing about a foundation, it's not sexy, it's not cool, it's cement. it's blah. But that foundation is vital. And I want you to think of that foundation as your systems, as the business ideas. All right. Okay. So anyways, I went off on a rant. I hope this video has been helpful. Really take a moment and think about your business. Think 3 steps ahead. Think of what your business is going to look like 3 years down the road from now. Okay. You determine the outcome of your business. All right. And your business will have problems where you believe there are problems. Remember that. Your business will have problems where you believe there are problems. Okay? I'm giving you that look. All right. Thank you guys so much again. Please, again, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share this video if you think someone needs to see it, and please check out a VO's Journey Elite Academy. There'll be a link below. I promise you, you won't regret it. Thank you guys. You have a wonderful Sunday. See you on Monday. Goodbye.